Inyevi meg inishti mine. Yesterday I was in Ennis Diamond and attending uilleann piping workshop by Blackie O'Connell, and he spoke how it's so complex to learn the uilleann pipes. It takes 21 years to really get to know them, get to know how to play, because there's so many moving parts and it's like a living organism. As data on rud chéine ra fichanga, you could say the same thing about a language. And if you're taking on the challenge, the uilleann of learning a language, a bheith ag foghlum, conas a bheith ag labhairt as Gaeilge, you're really doing this lifelong journey. It's not something that you just do for 5 minutes a day and do a streak. No, something much deeper, something much more meaningful, and something that takes much longer.